Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and today I am going to talk on the reservation in India. Why the reservation is required in India? Nowadays, all of us have seen the our society. I am not I all of us not aware of our past. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? We are not aware. That's why nowadays some people are criticizing the reservation in India. They don't have the reality. They don't know the reality why the reservation required in India. You know why the reservation was given for the some peoples. As all of us know that before the we got independent, when when the British government was rule on us at that time, the caste system was on the top. Caste system was on the top. At that time, what the rule was of the Englishmen, they they actually want to uh, govern on us. They have the simple policy. Everyone known about that policy. Divide and rule. If two brothers are living with the happiness, they they include himself in between, and how they think how to divide on them and how they got struggle each other. That's why the simple rule was divide and rule. At that time, we all of us have not the unity how to fight with them. At that time, many leaders our many leaders was struggling, and they was searching the uh, they are searching the way to got independent. At that time, many revolution and many meetings were held at that time, where as the English person known that many meetings and the uh, many meetings are held for to fight with us. They want to get independent. They suddenly come and have the charge on them. Many of the क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत सी लोगों ने संघर्ष किया है. हाँ, after that we our leaders got on the uh, conclusion that in them many revolution have gone on that time, but some of them was uh, successful. May have the listen. I have remember the revolution at that time. Our leader planned to symbology system, flower and the roti, bread, flour and bread. The bread have the means to pass over to other person. Uh, a small bite of the bread cut and pass to the other. That so that we are in the unity and we can fight with them. At that time, caste system was have not at that time caste system have not the doesn't have not the matter. At that time caste system doesn't matter, but as we got independent and people who govern on us, as the caste system comes in between us, came in existence, the many people who have the ability, but they was imposed some bad thing on the people, that for that people, some people are doing bad thing, and some people was on the high chair. There are many types of the work divided to the people. That's why the mental state of the people was not the equal, because the people who was on the high chair and people who work below the in the bad thing, how they can come in the, how can the people reach up to that stage? Someone of is that stage, and who imposed the bad thing was in that he had not a capability to think on the on on to that line. At that time, after independence, our leader, as here everyone is known in the world, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. They were the highly skilled and qualified person at that time. After independence, as we got independence, they got selected in the committee of the, he got selected in the committee of the constitution, and he was the leader. They made the constitution, a team was established of the constitution for to make the good constitution. They yes, they have gone the various country to read their constitution and make our constitution good. And little thing come from the every country. That's why a good our good constitution compile the, में इसमें जो मेन योगदान था वो अपना डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर का था. हाँ, they have seen the various society at that time what they are doing. They made the constitution accordingly that people got the opportunity to come up to the that line, because at that time some people was on the top and some people was on the below line. To come this equality, they have made the reservation system. It means people who have, if we are in a family, for example, we are the four brother. If we are four brother in a family, and someone is on the top level and someone is the below level, to equal this equal gap, to maintain this gap, and come in the level, in a level they set up the reservation. Means if we have the two opportunity, we have the fortune opportunity, it doesn't mean that people who have the good knowledge and have the good mental state, they are fulfilled by the four people who have the good knowledge. It, because in our constitution have the मीन्स सभी को एक साथ लेके चलना है. अपने संविधान के उसमें ये लिखा हुआ है. तो इन द व्यू ऑफ दैट लाइन वी सेट अप द रिजर्वेशन इन द इंडिया. But nowadays some people are the misusing the reservation. They come in that caste or that standard. They are misusing the reservation system. That's why we want to say that people who doesn't fall the below line and they are taking the reservation, it is the bad for us. Government should decide the उसको क्या बोलते हैं, पीपल को डिसाइड करना चाहिए कहाँ तक यार.
who are not belongs to this
हाँ,
body, they should not
they should not get the reservation,
benefit of this.
benefit of the. Thank you.